I love this for my house. I hope you do too, and I hope it saves you a ton of money, and I hope your friends appreciate the little handmade gift that you made them this season. Hi, I'm Roxy Saran. Welcome to our YouTube channel. If you're new to us, we're glad that you are here. You'll want to subscribe below and click that notification bell so you can find out of all of the amazing content that we have coming up just for you. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to save money and to help enhance your health and relaxation in your own home for just pennies. You're absolutely going to love how easy it is to make your own homemade bath salts. I love this recipe. We use it all the time in our family. So let's get started. We're going to use the #1 top essential oil that everyone is familiar with, and that's lavender. Lavender helps create a calming sensation. It is very soothing to the skin and to the muscles, to your joints, to your emotions, and it's very mild for babies, for sensitive skin, for elderly. Everybody loves lavender. You can, of course, use any salts that you would like, any different scents, not only lavender, but this is one, again, that's very simple to use. So today we're going to show you about lavender. All right, we're going to use Epsom salts. So make sure when you're using Epsom salts that they have absolutely no other fragrances. This is the total lifestyle makeover. If you are really just tired of being sick and tired and you need a medicine cabinet overhaul, this is the best starter set for you and my absolute favorite. Let me introduce you to the Natural Solutions starter set. Oftentimes when we use fragrances in our bath salts, what happens for a lot of ladies is that disrupts our pH balance and we end up getting a urinary tract infection. So this will prevent all that. We won't get a urinary tract infection when you're using fragrance-free. And we'll add our own lavender oil to make it smell really good. Okay, so the recipe is 3 cups of Epsom salts. Now Epsom salts have their own beneficial properties as well for your muscles and for your joints. Now it really isn't a salt, but that's what it's named. It really is magnesium, and it's wonderful for achy muscles and joints. So 3 cups in your bowl. So let's get started. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 cups of Epsom salts. Okay, the next ingredient we're going to use is the coarse Himalayan salt. So you want 1½ cups of the coarse Himalayan salt. Now salt has its own beneficial properties as well, and they go hand in hand for relaxation in your tub, excellent for your skin, and you're absolutely gonna love the way this makes your body and your skin feel after a long day. So 3 cups of Epsom salts, 1½ cups of Himalayan coarse pink salt, all right? And then lastly, but not least, pure baking soda. Pure baking soda, we're gonna do ½ cup of pure baking soda for this last major ingredient in this recipe. All right, so we're gonna mix that in, not to confuse with baking powder. Okay, make sure you get the baking soda. Okay, then we're gonna grab our doTERRA essential oils. Of course, my family and I, we only trust doTERRA essential oils. If you're new to our channel, I hope you check out our previous video on sourcing and how we extract these amazing essential oils and why our family has chosen doTERRA and only doTERRA. And so we're gonna do 20 drops of lavender for this recipe. All right. So after that, now we're just going to mix it together. It's really easy to do gently. You don't want to make a big mess. And you'll gently mix that up together. Look at that beautiful pink color with the Himalayan salt. And I promised you I would give you a special tip. Well, here it is. If you want to do this, not only is it beautiful for your own bathroom and to have it stacked in your counter when you're using it for your own baths, but these make excellent gifts. Another thing you can do to make this into a gift so it looks even more beautiful, you can find on the internet dried petals, like dried flower petals, and you can put half a cup of that in here, mix it up, and you can give this as a gift. It's a special gift because it'll save you lots of money, and you're gonna love that for your budget, but also it's special because people know you spent time making something personal for them. So that is my special tip for you today. Now all you have to do is fill it into a beautiful jar. I love this one. Now I do want to caution you while I'm filling this, you don't want to have an airtight container, and here's the reason why. When you're mixing Himalayan salt as well as Epsom salts and the baking soda, what can happen is over time it can build up pressure in there, excuse me, and we definitely don't want that to explode in your bathroom. So we definitely want to be safe using our essential oils and our bath time, and so be sure that you either leave it open or create a hole in the top where it can stay open so it is breathable. So look at that, doesn't that look so beautiful as you're gonna layer that? Let me do this really quickly so I can demonstrate how beautiful it's gonna look in the end. This is gonna make a great gift coming up here on the holidays, and it'll save you lots of money. So I know you're grateful for that. This will last about 3 months, and so even if you're not using it that often. When you're ready for bath time, you're gonna use half a cup of this mixture, okay? All right, so here we go. Let me show you how beautiful this looks. All right, and here's our little chalk, and you can write someone's name on it, or congratulations, or Merry Christmas, whatever you want to write. So we're just gonna write bath time. Bath time. Okay guys, that's how simple it is to make your own DIY lavender bath salts. I love this for my house. I hope you do too, and I hope it saves you a ton of money, and I hope your friends appreciate the little handmade gift that you made them this season. And I know as a mom, I love receiving these little handmade gifts. They're special to me because of the time that the person put in for it. Well, thank you for being here today. Be sure to subscribe below if you're new to our channel. We're glad that you're here. Hit that bell notification so you get notified of all the future content. And our next video, I'll be teaching about all the differences in the diffusers. How do you know why is it a medicinal grade diffuser, or why is it the right proper type of plastic? And lastly, how to clean your diffuser. So we'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Thanks for watching today's video. We hope you found it super exciting and helpful to take a peek into the world of essential oils. As always, we appreciate your comments and feedback. Be sure to comment below and let us know what was your favorite part of this video. Also, if you haven't yet subscribed, you don't want to miss our next video.